Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I'm creating a wallet fold mini album using the charm collection from BoBunny. Now this little mini album is chock full of great details. It has tabbed topped pullouts, and these will be great for adding pictures and journaling. There's one for each side and they have a similar but different design. Inside I've got some tags that are topped with some beautiful lace and ribbon, and also some of the sticker sentiments, and they tuck right into those pockets. Now I'm using some packaging from an online order as a base, so let's get started. First of all, I cut that packaging to a 12 by 12 inch square. I folded it in half, and then I folded each half into the middle. So now I have 4 equal sections, and I'm just going to pull those apart a bit and fold the edges right in, and then fold it right back into the middle so that they are touching but not overlapping. Now the first fold at the bottom is going to be at that arrow point, and you'll know where to fold the second one in by just meeting the edges up there and giving it a good crease, and then tucking it right inside. So now we've created the base, and you do not need to be concerned about the wrinkles because none of that is going to show when we get all the paper loaded on. For all the pages inside, I have this paper, the double dot cardstock, cut to 4.5 by 3 inches, and then I layered a secondary companion paper inside so that it would have a nice border. I'm gonna go ahead and use that double-sided adhesive and be very careful to get it tucked right down inside that corner. You can see that they almost touch but not quite. So I'm going to grab this double-sided adhesive. I'm going to add a bit of ribbon trim now while it is between the layers, so I can go ahead and stick that down to the adhesive, and it will be secured underneath the covers. Once I've got that stuck down, I just go ahead and trim off the excess. Now I did the corners just by lopping off a corner of one of the tags and giving it a border of the same double dot pattern. This covers up all that wrinkly bits underneath, and it's very secure. I was quite surprised. Now I'm going to do the same on the back. These all are 4.5 by 3 inches, so cutting this paper was very easy and it went super fast. I did have a little bit of overlap, and then I grabbed the worst scissors ever, but then I came back with my ribbon scissors and I've got that taken care of. So now this is going to be the front cover. You can see how it will open now, and I'm going to start the tags. These are just cut from the double dot cardstock, and this is a cut apart. I've layered some sentiment stickers on top there, and you can see how they'll just tuck right into those little pockets. So this is going to be the tab topped parts that will come out of the edges of the paper, and there is some of that companion pattern. I've got a couple of these fussy cut images that look like borders, and this is a small sentiment that was also cut from the cut apart section. So all this completes that card, and I'm just going to tuck it right in there. This is for the other side, and it will go here. Now when you are cutting your tabs, you want to make sure that you leave enough room between for the ribbon to go. This is going to be the focal image, and I did put some double-sided foam adhesive on the back because I wanted to add a little dimension, and there is also a border of that double dot cardstock. So now that I've got that secured, I'm going to embellish it. I've got a few butterflies that are fussy cut from the paper, and this sweet little banner image for this side. It does have a little bit of overlap, but it's going to be just fine. And then one more butterfly for the top here, and that is secured. Now I'm going to also bring in flowers. These are just fairly flat. They're not really large and dimensional, but I picked them because they coordinated with the paper so well. So get the first one down, and I used hot glue for that, and the second one I'm going to secure a little loopy bow of that twine that matches and top it off with the white flower Once I've got the ends cut off, I'm going to grab the double dot jewels and add a few here to the top layer. So for the tags, I did want to have a little bit of trim. This is just some lace and the coordinating ribbon from the tie, more of that twine, and then I use the double dot brad to top that off. So they're going to tuck inside, but all that trimming is going to be on the top. So I was able to use some repurposed packaging from an online order to create a base for this wallet fold mini album, and I used the beautiful collection Charmed from BoBunny to complete this project. Now, if you enjoyed this video, can you please give it a like, leave me a comment, and if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to hit subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.